Hello and welcome to Guitarcadia. I'm Nick Nightshade, and today we are going to be tuning our guitar so that we can get into some playing together. So let's start off with the low E string. We'll be doing standard tuning today. Here we go. Yeah, let's go to A. Down to D, let's go. G. Let's go to B. Up to the high E. All right, let's do one final check. Low E, A, D, G, B, and high E. All right. We should be in tune after that little session. If you find it tough tuning by ear, I would recommend that you do this video a couple of times, or if you want to just take the shortcut, you're welcome to check out the tuning apps I recommend in the description below. I look forward to seeing you in our next practice session together. So I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.